Why should someone work on summer staff?
You may lifelong friends.
Hi, my name is Abigail Giles, and I'm the Summer Staff Coordinator here at Fort Wilderness. I want to invite you to join the Summer Staff team and make an impact this next summer.
It's such an awesome opportunity to serve. It's a great way to grow in your faith is through service and serving others.
I really loved getting to impact the kids there, just seeing them enjoy their week at camp.
Summer staff are here for 10 to 12 weeks throughout the summer, and they serve in paid roles where sometimes they're leading a team or leading an area. We have 85 positions that we hire: AO counselors, lab counselors, head wranglers, lifeguards, accommodations, nature center instructors.
My name is Paul Matthews and I worked at ACOM this year. Every week we got new volunteers and I got to know so many people, and it was really a blessing to know each one of them.
Creating just super sweet community with those around you, and then also getting to develop your skills in leadership and just how to lead others. And
To get a taste of what ministry is like and kind of get a feel for what you might want to do later on in your life.
I think you should apply for summer staff because it's a great opportunity to, one, serve a community who also loves the Lord, but also a time for you to grow yourself.
If you are interested or feel called to join our summer staff team, please visit our website or scan this QR code.
You're surrounded by Christian people the entire summer. It's amazing.
I got a really good friends who brought me closer to Christ.
And if it's like starting to be on your heart, I think the Lord is using it in some way. And so, be in tune to that, and also just apply, because why wouldn't you want to spend a summer up here?
Come to Fort.